Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I shall show you the attractive views of a cement plant of Nishat Group. So before starting, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also watch the complete video to enjoy the beautiful views of a cement plant.
Nishat Group.
The Nishat company has its first unit located at Dera Ghazi Khan, a district of the Punjab. The plant has two parallel production lines, each with capacity of 2.1 million ton of cement per year. At Dera Ghazi Khan plant, the quarry operation and transportation of the raw material to the plant is carried out through a long, fully covered, weather-resistant conveyor belt. The plant is self-sufficient in power generation, most modern environment-friendly coal-fired power plant installed with 30 megawatt capacity. The company has its third cement producing plant, a greenfield project at Hub located near Karachi, the biggest single cement producing unit in Pakistan with capacity of 7.5 million ton.